Hey everyone, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to load in your own MMD base or something you just got in from DeviantArt or something. And yeah, so let's get into it. So what you need to do first is you need to go onto DeviantArt and just pick whatever you want. I've picked this. Then you download it. Make sure it's a zip download, otherwise it won't work, so it'll just be a picture. Save it. Then open it in folders. Then you have to extract it here. Close it. And then open it again. You don't really have to do this, it's the way to do it quickly. Oops. And then you have to right click it. Cut it. You don't have to do this, it's just easier to put it into your folder. And paste it in. Make sure it's the folder you paste it in. And then close that. Launch MMD again. Click the load button. Then go to your folder or just wherever it downloaded. And then launch it. This folder, so not the yellow folders, this white piece of paper here, and then it should say who made it, so if you're using it in videos it tells you so you don't get a copyright strike, and then boom, you got it. Sometimes these are a bit weird, so I recommend getting another model if it's like this. But that's it for now. Bye!